So this is, guys, what's that called? Pad Thai. So it's shrimps, egg, noodles, some vegetables, lime, and some nuts on the side. And the other dish is
green curry.
Green curry chicken. I mean, if there's any chicken inside, we don't know yet.
It's just a soup.
And you got like some tea, right?
What?
You got like some Thai tea?
Oh yeah, that's Thai milk tea.
Thai chai latte. Looks interesting. So, actually, we ordered both the same. We ordered twice the same, but we can start maybe.
Yeah.
Let's start. Let's go. Let's go. Like the noodles, they have some kind of lingering taste. You know, there's like no sauce inside. I don't know like the way they cook it. It just has this like soft, sweet, this mild taste, and I really like that. You know what's so cool about the shrimps? And here, they peel off the shell and they bring it to you like that.
Yeah.
In China, they bring it with the shell. So
in Germany as well.
I mean, like, I don't know how to peel it off and eat it. I mean, I never eat it. I just like leave it, basically.
Sometimes I actually eat it with the shell. I don't care.
Yeah. You're a little bit dry, so you need to lime it.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Later I will try that one as last.
The meal is even better. I don't know what they put in there, but it kind of tastes really nice. But yeah, maybe we should ask.
Well, I will try it now too. I'm curious. So maybe it's dressing. Maybe it's dressing.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. I got you. Yeah. It's like sweet mayonnaise, but like it's like sweet mayonnaise with honey.
Yeah, it's really interesting.
Should I put the rice in the bucket or the bucket in the rice?
I think we can do both. I do otherwise.
It's more like a soup though. That sauce. It's okay. It's not special.
I mean, I think it's better than the ones in Germany. Though.
No, I don't think it's mine. It's not really. I don't like this one. I like much more.
Oh really?
Yeah, this is like more like a soup. It's like very fluid. It doesn't have like the consistency I want as a sauce to my rice. Maybe I'll put all the rice in so it soaks up. Maybe then it tastes better. And it lacks like this sweetness. It's just, I don't know. It's not really. It's hard to describe. It's like a soup with some chicken pieces. So for the food we paid around. The dish with the green curry was 90 baht, it's like 3 euros, a little bit less. And the other dish was 150. The one, the pad thai, the one with the noodles. That one would be like 4 or 5 euros. So not very cheap.
Everything okay, sir? Good. Happy New Year, sir. Okay,
Seems like this is like the boat trip, and now we came to massage.
Oh?
Keep walking, please. Walking later, honey.
Abi yer hoşuma gitmedi ya.
O zaman başka yere mi gidelim?
Hello, massage. Food or body same price.
Which one is Thai massage?
This one. Whole body is a whole body.
One
Yeah,
body massage.
head to toe. But food is a half body.
Yaptığı saçı sama da.
Who
is doing it?
Now, my massager, come here. One food or body.
Can you do two at the same time?
Yeah.
Burada mı yaptıracağız?
Hadi önce yapacağız zaten ya.
One food or body, food downstairs, body upstairs.
Ha.
Okay.
But body is a whole body. We have a room,
Okay.
same time and together.
İyi tamam.
Yeah, two people.
Okay.
Body massage.
Can you
Okay.
choose up here? Yep, pardon me, yep. Okay. Come on,
Uniform to change for you. Here. Take your shoes up here.
Shoes here? Okay.
And upstairs, uniform to change upstairs. And the toilet upstairs, same include.
ได้เลยนะครับได้เลยจ้าโอเคนะครับเที่ยวหนึ่งออกมาเรือผมใหญ่ครับไม่ต้องตัวใหญ่กับโคตรดีครับ
Kimse aynı anda yapıyormuş böyle.
Bir de yani seni bir yerde beni falan böyle. Lütfen koysam.
Ulan tam yeni yer.
O bu arada o sırada şey çıkmış, masajcı. Gemi turu için.
Ha anladım onu. Ah, you change? Okay. Hı hı.
What?
Change diyor. Üstünü
Şey,
değiştir.
böyle, okey.
Hı hı. Okay.
Kardeşim böyle, sen burada durmayacak mısınız? Gel bak. Böyle sen soymayacak mısın?
So guys, we are right now in the body massage salon with Alper, and this is gonna take us like 1 hour. It's like a full body massage, and we're gonna pay like 300 baht per person, like 10 euros.
250.
No, 250 even less. Wow.
8 euros.
Guys, I mean for 8 euros 1 hour, it's just it's bliss.
I mean, we had more expensive hours before.
That's for sure, yeah. I mean, like even for the taxi yesterday, we just paid like 300. Okay, it was New Year's Eve, that's why we paid so much. Probably will be paying around 100 baht. Alright, so let's see where this goes. Yeah, let's enjoy it. So I don't have like much battery on my GoPro, so I have to put it on pause, and then every now and then I will check back in to say how it's going. The only thing that I'm really afraid of is like the neck part. I mean, I don't want them to like break my neck. Alright. Okay. No? Ne yapıyorsun? Ha. Ha.
Gözümü kapattım şu anda zaten.
Aa iyi. Ortamı görmek istemiyorum. Öyle dışarıda da tombola mı oynuyorlar? Ne yapıyorlar?
O geminin şeyi ya.
Bu gemi.
จะกระจีมันนั่นน่ะใช่ป่ะชิคกรี่เหรอ
Yeah, it's surfable, but it's okay.
โอเคอ๋อเช็ดน้ำลายเช็ดน้ำลายเช็ดน้ำลายผู้ชายผู้หญิงมันแก่แล้วอ่ะมันเคี้ยวปากหยับมันจะนวดตรงไหนตึงๆปากตึงมากรีแลกซ์โอเคกูดรีแลกซ์นะจ๊ะที่รักกูด
Alper promised me it's gonna feel better after we finish. So Alper is all in. Yeah, he promised me it's gonna feel better after we finish.
I mean, it's already feeling quite well.
I really tired so tired and so tired
So I didn't know that. After it gets thinner. I always wanted to have thinner legs.
yes
That's good. So
Just lose weight.
I'm losing weight. Yeah.
relax
Huh?
โอเครีแลกซ์นะไอเคลียร์ยูรีแลกซ์
Okay.
โอเค
Oh, this is hurting. Oh, this is really hurting.
ฮะ
That's
What?
hurting. That hurts.
รีแลกซ์
Let's try the legs.
10 กิโลเอ้ย
Okay.
yes family
Oh, nice.
my husband
Ah, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
True.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Swiss
He's Swiss?
only
Swiss?
my husband and I
Okay.
Yeah.
go down in at home
Okay.
Romantic New Year.
yes romantic no แก่
Uh-huh.
แล้ว โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman โอ้ woman old man and old woman. No.
But that's beautiful. I want to be like this as well.
Huh?
When I old, my wife and I, New Year, when I'm old. It's beautiful. It's
Your
nice.
wife?
Like in 50 years.
Fif-
When I'm old, I want to have wife and then like New Year with my wife. It's
Very
beautiful. Yes.
Thank you.
You have your wife?
Hmm?
Your wife?
Wife? What?
Yeah.
My wife. Mia.
Oh no, they're not like this. No.
Right. Merry Christmas
Yeah.
and family. No.
Maybe in the future.
ถ่ายรูปไป Happy New Year
Happy New Year to you as well.
Thank you.
To you
Yeah, to you as well.
You also.
Have a good day. Have a good time.
Yeah, it was great.
Abi bunları şey yaptırmayalım değil mi? Boynuma tık diye şey yaptırmayalım.
Onu yaptıracağım her şeyi.
Abi bunu yaptırmaya götürmeye mi?
Yapacaklarımı da gerçi bilmiyorum da.
Evet.
Her şeyi yaptıracağım abi.
Understand? Not understand. Okay, turn your back. Okay, đó. Good night.
Good night.
So for 8 euros, how was the experience?
The thing is, I'm normally not a big fan of massages at all. Like not even in my private life with like my girlfriend or something like that. But this actually feels good. Like I constantly have back pain, and there is no back pain right now.
Yeah.
So that's really great.
So I really can't tell. It's just like I just have like sensation of burning and it's still like a little bit
Really?
hurts. But I suppose it's gonna go away in a while. But it was totally worth it, definitely. Yeah. But we have to move on. Let's get dressed and then spend our final 2 hours. Did you do that one you actually?
Oh no, not properly. I didn't.
For me, she did want to, but I said like don't do it.
Yeah, I know. The thing is, she did it, but I didn't crack.
Okay.
Nothing cracked with me.
She was like cracking, also pulling like my shoulder neck like this,
Yeah,
and
but
also
did it
didn't
crack on you?
No,
Not anything.
like only like my toes when she was.
Yeah,
like
like my hands.
That's
yeah.
all. That's all. All right, guys.
Well,
See you. See you.